Which is the best electric pressure washer? We are going to check out top 5 best electric pressure washer in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this electric pressure washer, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Top 5. Sunjo SPX 4000-2030 Psi 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric pressure washer W pressure select technology. Powerful 14.5 amp motor generates up to 2030 Psi 1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Easy glide wheels for maximum maneuverability. Hose thread M22. Pressure select technology, choose from 2 powerful cleaning options, low/1450 Psi for everyday dirt, grease plus grime, and high/2030 Psi to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0, 15, 25, 40, so, tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. Includes an extension wand and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, power cord with GFCI protection, garden hose adapter and needle clean-out tool. Top 4. Sunjo SPX 1000-1450 Psi 1.45 GPM 11.5 amp electric pressure washer, green. Ideal for light to medium duty cleaning jobs. Adjustable spray wand with twist nozzle. Easily controls water pressure. Cord length, feet. 35. Maximum flow rate of 1.45 GPM. Water capability, cold.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3. SPX 3001-2030 Psi 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric pressure washer with hose reel, green. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 masculine ordinal, 15 masculine ordinal, 25 masculine ordinal, 40 masculine ordinal and soap. Tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. Powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 Psi 1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power. Onboard reel keeps 20 feet, 6 m, high pressure hose organized for quick and easy cleanup and storage. TSS, total stop system, automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Top 2. Sunjo SPX 3000 Pressure Joe 2030 Psi 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric pressure washer. 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 masculine ordinal, 15 masculine ordinal, 25 masculine ordinal, 40 masculine ordinal and soap. Tackle light, medium and heavy duty cleaning tasks. Powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor generates up to 2030 Psi 1.76 GPM for maximum cleaning power and water inlet temperature, max, is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. TSS, total stop system, automatically shuts off the pump when trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. Working pressure 1450 Psi, 20-foot high pressure hose. Dual detergent tanks. 2 0.9 L on board, removable tanks carry and store different types of detergent to simultaneously tackle different cleaning projects. Top 1. Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer, 2000 Psi, 1.4 GPM. Cleaner. Quaker 2000 Psi, 1.4 GPM Electric Pressure Washer. Integrated hose reel for easy storage. 25 feet high pressure hose. Vario power spray wand, easily adjust spray right from the wand. Dirt Blaster Spray Wand tackles the hardest jobs in half the time. N-Core Pump, durable, non-corrosive and maintenance-free. Water-cooled induction motor, increases life by up to 5x. Onboard detergent tank. All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.